hey, I'm just busy eating yogurt cheese that I just made from yogurt that I drained and added salt and spices to. You ought to try it. I'm gonna show you how. It's like really creamy and herby and salty, like a super good snack, nutritious. You can eat a whole pile of it and feel kind of virtuous, a little bit like a goddess. The other day I made 3 gallons of milk into yogurt, and then I hung them up to drain for basically 48 hours. So here is the little system I had. This was 1.5 gallons of yogurt, and now it is that much. This has been straining here for about 2 days. Partway through I added in the salt, and it's ready to be dumped into a bowl, and I will show you what I'm doing. So I found a recipe for that beef cheese, Boursin. So I mixed up the spices to do a trial recipe, and it is very good. So I'm going to make all of it into that. You can see it's a little bit wetter on the inside than it is on the outside, but that's fine. And it's already had the salt stirred in because that helps to release more of the whey. This is 3 pounds, 10 ounces. The other one was 3 pounds, 5 ounces, I think. So 7 pounds of cheese. 3 gallons of milk makes 3 gallons of yogurt, makes 7 pounds of yogurt cheese. These are the spices that I'm going to put in this cheese. It calls for ground pepper and dried chives, dried basil, dill weed, granulated garlic, parsley, and thyme. That is approximately 7 pounds of yogurt cheese. The recipe I saw for this type of cheese calls for cream cheese and butter. This is just yogurt. It's basically a solid health food. Well, food is healthy. A solid food that you can eat, like spread it on sandwiches, with greens, with lunch meats, eat it with eggs and toast, whatever you want. It's a very versatile, delicious food. Wow. Yum. Yeah. You gotta hit like on this because other people have got to have their lives revolutionized by yogurt cheese, don't you think?